Hello and welcome to the video of a cold start of a Vauxhall Insignia 2013 1.2 litre turbo diesel. Now we move on to the information display in the gauge cluster. So to move between that, you use this to move up and down, this to switch between trip, option and eco, and you can use this button at the very end to select things. So first screen. So you've got miles per hour, so that will be your current speed. Then you've got distance until empty, I assume. And you've got current fuel usage. So say if I put my foot on the accelerator, that will go up. And then say when I take off, it will go down. And you've got trip 1 and trip 2. Then to switch to option, you press menu. That shows oil life. Imperial, so you can set the units. But I'm not going to change that, so back. And you've got eco, so that is like a shift gauge. Same again. And to change through this, you use the up and down ring. And you've got current fuel consumption, a commodity trend, and that. Then top consumers, so say if I turn the fan on, it will show the fan, or say high beam. Like that. When to get back out of it, you just press menu. And there you are. That is a quick overview of the Vauxhall Insignia dashboard.